As attorneys continue to inquire about the romantic involvement between Willis and Wade in the Trump case, the ex-law partner remains elusive and avoids providing specific details. Greetings, everyone. Today, our video will focus on an intriguing subject related to the ongoing Georgia election case involving Donald Trump. Specifically, we will delve into the evasiveness displayed by a former law partner of Fulton County Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade during his testimony. Lawyers attempted to extract details regarding a romantic relationship between Wade and District Attorney Fani Willis, which has caused a stir in this case. Terrence Bradley, who also served as Wade's divorce attorney, was anticipated to be a crucial witness in the efforts to remove Willis from one of the 4 criminal cases against the former president. Both Willis and Wade, while under oath, asserted that their relationship did not commence until the spring of 2022, after Wade's appointment as special prosecutor in November 2021. Additionally, they confirmed that the relationship concluded last summer. Without further delay, let us proceed with our discussion. During his testimony on Tuesday, a former law partner of Fulton County Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade displayed evasiveness when questioned about the specific details regarding a romantic relationship between Wade and District Attorney Fani Willis, which has caused significant controversy surrounding the 2020 Georgia election case involving Donald Trump. Lawyers aiming to dismiss Willis from one of the ex-president's 4 criminal cases had anticipated Terrence Bradley, who previously acted as Wade's divorce lawyer, to provide crucial testimony. However, during his questioning, Bradley consistently claimed ignorance or an inability to recall the commencement of Willis and Wade's relationship. During the court proceedings, Bradley was questioned by attorneys regarding a text message in which he mentioned that the relationship began while Willis was serving as a municipal court judge. In response, Bradley claimed that he was merely speculating, causing frustration among the defense lawyers who accused him of being untruthful while on the witness stand, particularly Trump's lawyer. Trump attorney Steve Sadow posed a question suggesting that the start of the incident is known but not desired to be revealed in court. The explanation for this reluctance, according to Sadow, is the undeniable truth that admitting it in court is undesirable. The significance of Bradley's testimony lies in its potential to undermine the assertions made by Willis and Wade regarding the commencement of their romantic involvement. Defense attorneys are placing great emphasis on this timeline as they strive to disqualify the duo from the case, on the grounds that their relationship poses a conflict of interest. The recent testimony from Bradley marked another significant moment in the ongoing legal battle against the former president and prominent Republican contender. This courtroom proceeding delved into the personal lives of the prosecutors, revealing the unexpected turn the investigation has taken. What initially started as a probe into Trump's attempts to retain his position of power has now transformed into a dramatic saga, filled with discussions about relationships, money, and text exchanges involving individuals unrelated to Trump or the defendants, but instead involving the law enforcement officials leading the case. As the hearing scrutinized the personal lives of the prosecutors, the question remained unanswered. Would the defense attorneys be able to persuade the judge that Willis's connection with Wade constituted a conflict of interest, thereby requiring their removal from the case? Under oath, Willis and Wade both affirmed that their romantic involvement did not begin until the spring of 2022, following his appointment as a special prosecutor in November 2021. They further stated that the relationship concluded last summer. Willis firmly maintains that there was no impropriety in their connection, asserting to a defense attorney who attempted to scrutinize her during her testimony earlier this month that she is not the one being tried. The veracity of the prosecutor's testimony has been called into question by additional information. Earlier this month, a former friend and employee of Willis testified in court, stating that she witnessed Willis and Wade embracing and sharing kisses before Wade was appointed as a special prosecutor. During a legal proceeding, Ashley Merchant, the attorney representing Michael Roman, a co-defendant of Trump, recited a text message exchange in which she inquired of Bradley whether he believed Willis and Wade had initiated their romantic relationship prior to Wade being hired by Willis. Bradley responded with a resolute "absolutely." When questioned repeatedly while under oath about the commencement of the relationship, Bradley asserted that he lacked knowledge of the matter. According to Bradley, he lacks any first-hand information regarding the beginning of the relationship. During a recent evidentiary hearing that lasted 2 days, Bradley invoked attorney-client privilege as grounds for not providing answers to the majority of the questions posed. However, following a private meeting between Bradley, his attorney, and Judge Scott McAfee, it was determined that certain communications between Bradley and Wade were not protected by privilege. As a result, the lawyer was granted permission to testify on Tuesday. Arguments have been scheduled by McAfee for Friday afternoon to discuss the potential removal of Willis and her office from the case. The potential removal of Willis from the ongoing criminal cases against Trump would undoubtedly be a remarkable turn of events. In the event of her disqualification, a non-partisan counsel responsible for assisting prosecuting attorneys in Georgia would have to appoint a replacement attorney. This successor would then have the option to either continue pursuing the charges against Trump and the other 14 individuals or choose to dismiss the case entirely. However, even if a new lawyer were to proceed with the prosecution, it is highly unlikely that the trial would take place before November, which coincides with the anticipated period when Trump is projected to secure the Republican nomination for president. In August, a grand jury in Fulton County indicted Trump and 18 additional individuals, alleging their involvement in a comprehensive plot to unlawfully overturn the 2020 election in Georgia. As of now, 4 individuals have entered guilty pleas as part of negotiated agreements with prosecutors. Trump and the remaining 14 individuals have pleaded not guilty. Last month, the motion to oust Willis and her office from the case was initiated by Roman and has garnered support from the former president and several other defendants. Roman's legal submission asserts that Willis provided substantial payments to Wade for his services and subsequently reaped unwarranted benefits when he utilized his earnings to fund their vacations. Furthermore, it claims that Willis and Wade were already in a romantic relationship before her employment of him in November 2021. Both Willis and Wade have confirmed that they split the costs of their travel, with Willis providing cash reimbursement to Wade for certain charges made on his credit card. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.